Good morning, students. I'm your science teacher Anjana Jha. I hope you all are doing well. Are you following what is being taught in your online classes? I have received classwork and homework from some of you, and it is really good to see your efforts and promptness towards classwork and homework. If you have any doubts regarding what is being taught in the class, you can send them to me in my WhatsApp number or post it in the Equation group as told earlier. So, students, today we will be learning about creepers. In earlier classes, we have already learned about classification of plants. Furthermore, we learned about creepers. Just like climbers, creepers are classified on the basis of their weak and thin stem. Let's learn about creepers. Some plant creeps over things to get more sunlight. The plants that cannot stand straight and spread on the ground are called creepers. These plants spread their branches on the ground itself. They also have weak and thin stem. Let me ask you a riddle. Tell me the name of this plant. This plant has big flat leaves. It creeps across the line. It has big yellow flowers. Something big and orange grows from these yellow flowers. It is pumpkin plant. Were you all able to guess the correct answer? I hope you did. Now look at these two pictures. Mustard plants are standing straight, but watermelon plants are not standing straight. Watermelon plants have weak and thin stems. They spread their branches on ground itself. Grass, strawberry plants, and cucumber plants are some of the examples of creepers. Let's now learn what the features of the creepers are. Creepers also have weak and thin stems. They cannot stand straight and spread on the ground. Generally, they bear big fruits, and that's why they cannot climb up or stand straight. This is your classwork. I will help you solve the objective questions given here. Let's start with the fill in the blanks questions. Dash carries all the parts of the shoot in a plant. The answer will be stem carries all the parts of the shoot in a plant. The strong woody stem of a tree is called the dash. The answer will be the strong woody stem of a tree is called the trunk. A dash has a thin and green stem. A herb has a thin and green stem. Muskmelon and grass are examples of dash. Muskmelon and grass are examples of creeper. Dash is an example of a climber type plant. Pea plant is an example of a climber type plant. Moving on to the next question. Match the following. You need to match the option given below on one side with the suitable option on the other side. What will be the suitable option for tree? Mango. It is an example of a tree. So match tree with mango. Shrub. Rose is a shrub. So match shrub with rose. Herb. Tomato is a herb. So match herb with the tomato. Climber. Pea plant is a climber. So match the climber with the pea plant. Creeper. Bitter gourd is a creeper. So match the creeper with the bitter gourd. Moving on to the next question. Now we will do tick the correct option. You need to put a tick mark against the correct option for the given questions. The plants that give shade to human and animals are called. The correct answer is tree. So put a tick mark on trees. The part of a plant that stores seeds is known as. The correct answer is fruits. So put a tick mark on fruits. The plants that look like bushes with many branches are known as. The correct answer is shrubs. So put a tick mark on shrubs. We have finished the classwork. Your homework for today is to draw two creeper plants, pumpkin plant and watermelon plant. Learn the objective questions that we solved in the class today. I hope you enjoyed today's class. Send the classwork and homework on my WhatsApp number. Thank you. Stay home and stay safe.